5 interesting facts about Haiti. Haiti is home to more mountains than any other country in the Caribbean. These majestic peaks provide an incredible view of both the mountains and the ocean. Haiti is also home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the Caribbean. They offer travelers a variety of activities, from lounging in the sun to exploring the island's picturesque coastline. The beaches are known for their white sand, crystal clear waters, so if you're looking for a beach vacation, Haiti is a great option. The Citadelle La Ferrière is the largest fortress in the Western Hemisphere and is a reminder of the strength and courage of the Haitian people. When it comes to food, the cuisine of Haiti is a Creole blend of French, Spanish, native Taino, and African influences. This mix of flavors creates an amazing array of dishes that are both spicy and rustic. Finally, Haiti is a country with a proud history of freedom. In 1803, the Haitian people managed to overthrow the French at the Battle of Vertières and become the first Black Republic.